President Bongbong Marcos is ordering a lifestyle check on all officials and agencies involved in the government's flood control projects. In a briefing on Wednesday, August 27, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro says this directive is part of the government's crackdown on individuals linked to anomalous flood control projects. She says the lifestyle check will be carried out by the agencies themselves while assuring transparency in whatever results may come out of it.
Hindi po natin makakaila na mayroong mga DPWH officials na sinasabing involved at malamang ay magsimula sila doon. Nagsalita na po kasi ang Pangulo. So dapat ang bawat ahensya ay tumupad sa kanilang tungkulin. Asahan po natin dapat at bigyan po din natin sila ng karampatang tiwala. At kapag pinakita din tayong anomalya sa kanilang pag-iimbestiga, magiging questionable rin po ang kanilang pagtatrabaho at malamang masama rin sila sa pag-iimbestiga.
Meanwhile, the palace official stresses that Marcos is determined to hold liable officials who will be proven to be involved in the questionable projects.
Sinabi naman din po ng Pangulo na hindi ito titigilan at tatapusin niya to bago siya matapos ng termino.
Castro notes that Public Works Secretary Manuel Bonoan remains in office despite calls from various groups and personalities for him to resign. In his fourth State of the Nation address, Marcos directed the Department of Public Works and Highways to submit a list of all flood control projects under his administration to determine which ones were failures, unfinished, or ghost projects. Marcos later on disclosed the initial findings of his administration's investigation into these projects, identifying only 15 contractors that secured most of the government's flood control deals.